Mo kí wa káàbọ̀ sórí ètò iṣẹ́ mi òwò mi lórí ìtàkùn Nua Media. Lórí ètò yìí ni a ó ti máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ wá àwọn oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́, oníṣòwò àti òṣìṣẹ́ gbogbo lẹ́nu wò kí a bá lè máa rán ara wa létí wípé ẹ̀tọ́ ni fún wa láti ṣiṣẹ́ àbí láti ṣe òwò kí ebi má bàa pa wá. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Orúkọ mi ni ọmọọba ADÉDỌ tí mo dú ṣọ̀tẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ṣe fún wa lórí ọ̀fẹ́ iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe ó pọ̀ díẹ̀. Níbi ọ́fíìsì tá a wà ń sìn, à ń ṣe beauty parlour níbí báyìí. À ń ṣerun fáwọn èèyàn. Àtẹ́gbẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe makeup náà ni à ń bá yín ṣe. Nínú building wa náà, à tún ṣe laundry náà níbí báyìí. Àdẹ̀tún máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn ṣe home cleaning bí ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kọ́lé ni ẹ fẹ́ tún ṣe à ń bá àwọn èèyàn ṣe. So this place is called Immaculate Laundry and Cleaning Services. I would say this year makes it exactly 10 years tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwa yìí máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ because inú ìlágùn wa láti máa jẹ ní láti máa mu. Mo lọ sí ilé ìwé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga and I graduated mo ṣe tán náà 2010. I left university in 2010, and after my university education I tried hunting for job. I did that for about a year plus. Ọ̀dọ̀ ìdíkà máa wá ṣẹ́ káàkiri kí bàtà máa já lóṣòdì kó máa já ní bẹ́gà. Àjọ okay, since a job is not forthcoming, let me use my own knowledge to see if I can start up something. So which prompted me to learning barbing. I did that for a while, and mathematically barbing is not forthcoming because me now I'm share, so my barbing handle it. So I had to delve into laundry, and with my strength then I was able to start, and to the glory of God, this is my 10th year in the laundry business. The salon is still existent. Ọlọ́run fún àárẹ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ àníyàn tó bá wọn manage, and the most important thing is this: tí Ọlọ́run máa fún yàn ní ọ̀fẹ́ kó tó dáa ní wíkì yàn kó níṣẹ́ tó dáa lọ́wọ́. Because gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọkùnrin, ìyàwó ti wà nílé, ọmọ ti wà, ìyá wà, àwọn àbúrò náà wà. So it is when we work that we'll be able to fulfill those obligations. Because as a man, we have obligations to our parents, we have obligations to wife, we have obligations to children. And then we shall not get a mother on iṣẹ́, ọmọ iṣẹ́ tó wà dancing, because ọmọ iṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ gbà kó ga máa jẹun lọ́wọ́ oṣù. So definitely we have to work. So that's to fulfill our obligations. Ètò mo gbọ́dọ̀ máa sọ ni ti àwọn ọmọ tó wà dancing tó ń fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́. Because when I started this business, I was thinking it's something from the one who kò ṣe nǹkan tí mo dá nìkan ṣe fún ara mi. But it took me about 3 years in the business kí n tó lè rí àwọn sọ pé okay, ọ̀gá kílẹ̀ ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ like ràn yín lọ́wọ́. I even tried sorting for àwọn boy máa ń ṣe gbà yẹn ká gba ọmọ láti kú tó ń gbà wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Every effort was abortive. Àríyàn bá ṣiṣẹ́. But it was when the business was a bit established that I can pay people reasonable amount of money. Now. But for those period of 3-4 years, I was the one washing, I was the one ironing, I was the one picking up, I was the one who goes out to deliver. So it was so tedious. But as time went on, we were able to fight that battle and won it. What I would say the benefit is me being able to fend for my life. People like that ṣiṣẹ́ ní ẹ̀kọ́ bá ti wá. Mo ní ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa fulfill ojúṣe mi lórí ìyàwó àti lórí gbogbo àwọn tó so yí mi ká. Iṣẹ́ náà lè ti fún mi ní ọ̀fẹ́ láti bá àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn pàdé àti ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn tó pọ̀, and bí ṣe ṣe kẹ́ àwọn èèyàn tó bá mọ̀ ló máa determine the success and the failure of your business, and to the grace of God gbọ́n ta mint náà they've been of good influence to the business, and we are moving on. Iṣẹ́ mi, òwò mi, ohun àmúyangàn mi.